Hello everyone, we finally made it to the first pool at Seven Falls, and wow, it's absolutely breathtaking. The weather is overcast, but the cool breeze and the soft light makes the whole place feel calm and serene. Nature is putting on a peaceful show today. Now we are getting up to the next climb. It looks challenging but definitely doable. Take your time, move carefully, and use many anchors along the way. This is the second pool, and I'm debating whether to go through the water or scale the rock sideways. Since I got my backpack with my phone and wallet, I'm choosing the rock route. Don't be fooled, it's not easy. The rocks are slippery, but if you move slowly and grip the anchors, you'll make steady progress. These swim holes are absolutely stunning. Crystal clear water surrounded by rugged, colorful boulders. As we continue upward, we'll face more challenges, but don't give up. The reward at the top is worth every step. This section is particularly tricky. You really have to think through your next move. As I pass through the pool, it just makes me climb more and more and see what comes next. This section is very challenging. I have to think, what should I do next? At one time, I had no choice but to step into water and climb the rock using both hand and feet, just like a spider. It's really an adventure, and I love every second of it. I thrive on challenges like this. This section is pretty rough, as you have to step on many rocks to proceed forward. You're wondering what comes next and expecting to see another swim hole. Trying to see, should I climb the boulder or go sideways? Take a look at this colors of these rocks. Deep brown, soft gray, and golden hue. It's like nature owns art gallery. At times it feels like there might not be another pool ahead, but curiosity keeps me going. I chose barefoot to get better grip, but now I'm feeling a bit of burn. These rocks are sandy and rough. Next time I'm definitely bringing water shoes. Check out this pool. So clean, so untouched. I wanted to keep going, but I think it's time to head back. Surprisingly, going down is not too bad. I actually enjoy rock hopping. It's like nature's obstacle course. These rock boulders and pools are absolutely mind-blowing. Back at these beautiful rocks again, trying to use all my energy and climbing skills to go down the hill. Now I'm really starting to feel some stress on my bare foot since I have never done this before. The scenery is so beautiful, I'm forgetting all the pain and just enjoying the nature. Look at these boulders, they're huge. I am back at the water channel where I had to spider crawl earlier. Funny enough, going down this section is even harder than going up. It's a real test of balance and focus. But then, wow, look at this view. The water are crystal clear and almost looks like a mirror. It's like there's no water. Just look at this view. All the swim holes line up like sparkling gem. I feel like I have stumbled into paradise. This water isn't as cold as I expected. At first, I thought it would be freezing, but once you ease in, it's actually refreshing and really nice. I've reached to the final section now. If you are visiting with kids, let them take on some of these challenges. It's a great way to build confidence and resilience. As you can see me trying to tackle all the rocks, but sometimes you'll come through some obstacles where you can slip, but there's water underneath. And now I'm back where I started. If you are ever in Santa Barbara, make time to visit Seven Falls. It's an unforgettable experience filled with beauty, adventure, and moments that will stay with you forever. Seven Falls isn't just a hike, it's a reminder that the best things in the life aren't always easy, that sometimes you have to climb, you have to get a little lost, you have to trust your feet, your breath, your heart. So if you find yourself in Santa Barbara, you know what to do. Thank you for watching and see you next time.